Hey, how's it everybody? I'm Dan at dansvideoreviews.com. Today I'm reviewing Profit NFT from Michael Mack. In a nutshell, this app will allow you to design, create, and sell your very own unlimited number of NFTs, and for a short time only, get free commercial rights to create NFTs for other people. If this is something that you are interested in, then stick around for more details. And a full demo. I have some bonuses too that I will show you. This is my bonus page. Bonus number 1. That is... So if you're interested in this product, then simply click on the link in the description below. And this will take you through to this bonus page. And you can click on any of the buttons in here, which will take you to the sales page where you can purchase this app and get all of my bonuses. I will give you all of the following bonuses when you purchase NFT via my link, which is below this video in the description. You're going to get bonus number 1, which is access to the SEO studio to rank your NFTs in the search results. You're going to get bonus number 2, which is learn how to get better conversion. This is to get more sales of your NFTs. You're going to get bonus number 3, which is learn how to drive traffic to your products. This will help tremendously for you to make money with your NFTs. You're also going to get bonus number 4, which is access to the high ticket mastery. With this bonus, you will be able to expose your NFTs to the wealthy buyers with ease. And you're also going to get bonus number 5. Number 5, which is access to all the vendor bonuses, and this one speaks for itself. Then exclusive bonus from me. This is my exclusive bonus training that you won't get anywhere else on how to set up a crypto wallet and safeguard it so that you can connect it to your NFT platform. I see this software is great, but it's lacking in some areas, and I've got you covered there. Here's the sales page. The free commercial license is for a limited time only. This the brand new NFT lets you design, create, and sell unlimited done-for-you NFTs on the blockchain within minutes, and all with zero coding, zero trading, investing, and zero experience. That is, in a nutshell, basically what this app is about. This sales page is quite elaborate. You're welcome to go through it at your leisure. Let me say that, at your leisure. But to get there, you can just click on the link in the description below, and then from my bonus page, you will go straight to this one, to the sales page, and you can read all about it. Forgive me for not showing the full members access here, There wasn't any time to try getting review access from this particular vendor, but I think the following will give you a good idea about this app. So in this image creator, you can make good use of all these different doodles and images to create your own collection. There are a bunch of options that you can go for. For instance, if you choose doodles, you can create a base template and then just modify into thousands of different designs. Take this doodle, for example. Let's enlarge it slightly. You could make it unique by adding some effects so that you can make it as unique to you as possible and sell it in different forms. You will be able to add different filters to make it even more unique to you, or add your very own NFTs from your computer. Once you're happy with how it looks, you can click save, download it to your computer, then go over to NFT Minter. Once you've uploaded your NFT, make a note of your URL that Profit NFT has made for you and save it somewhere. Now all you need to do is connect your wallet right here, and you will see that it has automatically been connected for you. You can see your wallet here. If you have it set up with enough Ethereum in it, then you can put in the link that Profit NFT has created for you and go ahead and click Mint NFT. This will open up your MetaMask wallet so that you can mint your NFT. Fill in the details that MetaMask requires from you, and once you're ready, you can click on Confirm. This will send you to this page right here, which shows you your NFT transaction on the blockchain. The NFT contract will be generated for you, which you can use to start earning Ethereum from it using this smart contract and following the training. I recommend you take advantage of Profit NFT today by clicking on the link down in the description below this video. You're probably wondering what Profit NFT is all about. It's a fully cloud-based NFT creator software suite, and it allows you to get paid through next generation smart contracts and groundbreaking AI NFT creator that's included. New blockchain-based tool for your customers, and it's guaranteed high conversions for you. There's only a one-time payment and no monthly fees. If you are online, you can earn money with this. All you need is a computer or a phone. There's nothing to configure. It's all done for you. It's perfect for affiliates, e-com sellers, offline, everyone. And it's 100% newbie friendly, easy to use, and this is a shortcut to online success that will get you results. Now let's go to the prices and the upsells. The front end, let's go here. Front end of Profit NFT is going for $17 with a downsell of $15. This gives you access to the powerful Profit NFT software and the training modules. Upsell number 1 is Profit NFT Pro, which goes for $36.93, or the downsell for $26.93. Upsell number 2 is, or OTO. 2 is Profit NFT done for you, and it's $39 and $29 discount if you take the downsell. Then upsell number 3 is Profit NFT reseller, gives you a reseller license at $197. You can save $100 with the downsell. And upsell number 4 is Profit NFT IMX bundle, which is $97 or $30 saving for the downsell. And here's what you can do with this app. You can host unlimited websites and domains on the cloud hosting servers for a low one-time fee. That's a one-time fee. Get faster loading websites than ever before with 100% uptime. Create unlimited NFTs from scratch with one click. 100% cloud-based, and there's no coding required. You don't need to buy, invest, or trade in any crypto. There's drag and drop designer, it's built in, as I've shown you in the demo. 30 plus done for you templates included. There's a commercial license included if you act now. Click on the link in the description below. And sell NFTs to local businesses and online clients for thousands of dollars. Why not? Okay, and then smart contracts technology is included. Your NFTs are 100% your verifiable property, and is ready to sell for thousands on any platform. Unlimited free end-to-end SSL encryption protects you, your NFTs, privacy, and personal data. The premium minter is included. Get your NFTs published on the blockchain. Your chance to tap in to the next digital gold mine. Then there's step-by-step training included, and it's 100% newbie friendly. No tech know-how or coding is required. There's no monthly fees. Pay once and use forever. Double your money back guarantee. Wow, okay. And then the 24/7 support from the marketing gurus. All of this is covered by a no questions asked 30-day monthly money back guarantee. And then let's move on to let's just give a summary. The doodles on OpenSea are selling for more than $100,000. That's, I mean, it's crazy. And there's nothing complicated about them. They come from very basic templates with very small modifications, and it's just a simple sketch alone, and then you can have variations of that sketch. So what could be more easier? What can be more difficult than that? And then I saw one of them being sold for $42,000. I mean, that's crazy money. I think it's a no-brainer. All right, my bonuses. Just please let me just go through here again. Bonus number 1, bonus number 2, bonus number 3, bonus number 4, bonus number 5, and exclusive bonus with a value of 197. Set up and safeguard your wallet. This is my exclusive bonus training that you won't get anywhere else. on how to set up a crypto wallet and safeguard it so that you can connect it to your NFT platform. Click in the description of this video below to get Profit NFT today, together with my bonuses. Thanks for watching and cheers.